What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on this video we'll be doing this definite integral that you see here. As you can see, this definite integral, it is not that difficult, but you can pause on this video, do this problem. Let's see if you can able to get the right answer, and then you will check with the answer at the end of this video. All right, so before I start solving this problem, I'd like to say thank you very much guys for watching, subscribing to the channel, commenting, and also sharing the videos. If you find these videos useful and you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel and also share this video. And don't forget to like the video if it really the video helped you guys. Now let's look at this definite integral that you see here. Most of the time the definite integrals that are given to us, you have to simplify. This one guys, there's no simplification that needs to be done here. It is already simplified. What you need to do is just integrate. Now before you start integrating, you need to look at the type of integral that you have here. So we have two types of integrals that you see here. The one that I'm highlighting here, it's actually the power rule integral. How do you know? If you take this natural log 3, you put it on a calculator, you will realize that this is a number. When it's like this, it's more like a constant, so you have to use the power rule. So let me show you how does the formula look like for the power rule. So we have k, which is a constant, and we have x to the power of n dx. So when we integrate here, it's gonna be k, which is our constant, but we're gonna have x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Since these are definite integral, we do not add plus c. So let's do this one. Just in case guys you don't know where this is coming from, you can go to the description. There is a video where I explain the power rule, and also the icon is gonna pop up there on the top right. This one I mentioned before, since it's a constant like that, you really don't have to use this power rule. You just multiply by the variable that we are integrating. In this case we are integrating x, so all you have to do is just say x multiplied by natural log 3. I know it looks strange, but this is just a number guys. This is a number, right? So when it's like that, when you integrate, you multiply by the variable. I hope you understand. So we come to the next one here. So the second one here, as you can see, we have negative 1 over x. This one is another rule here. In fact, it's a natural log rule. So when you integrate this one, it goes like this. You're gonna have k coefficient divided by x dx. So when you integrate this one guys, you're gonna use the following. It's gonna be k coefficient and then natural log x. We don't add plus c because we are doing definite integral. If it so happens that you don't know this formula or you want to know it further, there is a video on the description, and also on our icon there on the top right is gonna pop up there. So when you look at this, it's gonna be negative, and that is gonna be natural log x. Then we are done integrating it. It was very simple guys, straightforward. And here you write the upper limit and the lower limit. Guys, if you haven't done the definite integral, I made a video on definite integrals. Go and watch it on the description there. Right, so from here you rewrite this, but this time around you're gonna rewrite the integrals here as they are. Then you gonna write the upper limit. Then you subtract this integral with the very same integral, but this time around with a lower limit. Now let's do it guys. Let's do this. Right, so with the lower limit, which is 2, then the last step, you just substitute wherever there is x, you substitute with the upper limit for this bracket. For the other bracket, wherever there is x, you substitute with the lower limit. So let's do it guys. Let's do it. So it's gonna be 4 natural log 3 minus natural log then 4. Right, So this is the first bracket. The second bracket, we're gonna substitute with the lower limit. It's gonna be 2 natural log 3 minus natural log 2. So you have to put this on your calculator. When you put this on your calculator, the answer here is supposed to be 1,504. Right, so this is your final answer, guys. If it so happened that you didn't understand, you can pause the video where you got stuck and rewatch that part. If there's a question, you can leave a question in a comment, and make sure, guys, whenever you ask the question, they make it clear. And if this video helped you to understand, you can also share this video to your friends, and don't forget to like it. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and also hit the bell notification, so whenever I upload a video, you get notified. Alright, guys, if you want to watch other definite integral problems that I've solved, there will be a playlist that will appear on the screen. Go and click that playlist so that you can able to watch those videos. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Till next time.